someone has something to say to everyone. What? Oh, yeah? What else? What else? Oh, okay. And how else do you feel? Oh. Do you feel anything else? Do you want to tell the people anything else? Oh, yeah? Anything else? Anything at all? No? Are you done? What are you talking? What do you want? I know. All right. Okay, we don't have to be violent. Jeez Louise. All right. Let's see if she wants to play. I think she wants to play. Is that all you wanted? Come here. Bring it back. Wait, where'd you go? Thank you. She like throws it to you when she's ready to give it back. That's all she wanted. Wants to play a little. There you are. Good girl. Wait. Oh no. Couch ate it. Where is it? Oh, I got it. There we go. Ugh. Can I have it? Brah. Oh, I got distracted. She does that sometimes. Oh. All right. You see how she throws it to me? Like, you throw it. Once you learn to play fetch like that, she like chucks it at you. Yeah, don't you? Silly girl. All right, let's go this way. Good girl. Oh. Woo. Thank you. All right. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.